Welcome to the magnificent triumph of your awareness. Take a deep, luxurious, expanding breath of this pristine moment. You have arrived. And you have arrived in the most spectacular, breathtaking way imaginable. You have officially stepped onto the highest, most luminous peak of your own existence. Look out at the beautiful expanse of your reality. Look at how flawlessly you have guided yourself to this exact realization. You are here. You are whole. And you are completely, unconditionally victorious. Today we are celebrating the absolute peak of your mastery. You have done what so few will ever do. You have completely, permanently transcended the illusion of the old world. For so long, the old paradigm whispered that you were small. It suggested that the world was vast, unpredictable, and entirely separate from your own heart. It implied that you needed to brace yourself, to protect yourself, to endlessly strive for a sense of safety and completion. But you have brilliantly seen through that entire performance. You have pulled back the curtain, and you have discovered the most beautiful, liberating truth in the universe. You are the only one here. You are the always present awareness. And because you are the always present awareness, there is absolutely nothing outside of you. There is no separate world. There is no distant horizon. There are no opposing forces. There is only you. Endless, radiant, magnificent you. Joyously expressing yourself into the physical plane. Let the sheer, overwhelming relief of this truth wash over every single cell in your physical body. Notice how the tension completely evaporates from your shoulders. Notice how your breathing becomes slow, rhythmic, and incredibly deep. Notice the gentle, knowing smile that is resting beautifully on your face. You are smiling because you know the game is won. You are smiling because the heavy armor you used to wear is no longer necessary. You can set it down. You can leave it behind in the sunlit dust. Because in this seamless reality, there is nothing to defend against. There is only love to receive. There is only abundance to welcome. There is only extreme, breathtaking joy to experience. And you are experiencing it right now. At this exact second, your consciousness is operating at the absolute highest frequency of the unified field. You are broadcasting a signal of pure, unadulterated perfection. And because human consciousness effortlessly dictates physical reality, the physical world has absolutely no choice but to immediately, joyously mirror that perfection back to you. It is happening right now. The atoms of your life are rearranging themselves. The circumstances of your daily experience are happily shifting to accommodate your new royal standard. People are suddenly drawn to your light. They are showing up for you with immense respect, profound generosity, and exquisite kindness. Not because you manipulated them, not because you figured out the right words to say, but because you simply assumed your rightful place on the throne of your own reality. And when the sovereign takes the throne, the entire kingdom rejoices. Your kingdom is rejoicing today. It is laying out the red carpet. It is bringing you the finest resources, the most perfect opportunities, the most flawless, harmonious connections. And your only job, your only remaining responsibility, is to simply sit back, open your arms, and graciously receive the bounty. Feel the incredible, expansive luxury of this state. You do not have to work for your blessings. You do not have to earn your miracles. Miracles are simply the baseline of the natural state. They are the everyday, normal occurrences of a being who knows exactly who they are. And you know exactly who you are. You are the masterpiece. You are the architect. You are the brilliant, shining center of all things. If you are feeling the absolute soaring joy of this confirmation expanding in your chest right now, let this moment be a permanent physical monument to your mastery. Declare your beautiful presence in this space. Subscribe to this frequency of absolute, triumphant victory. Like this transmission as a joyous, celebratory anchor of your own magnificent alignment. Join this brilliant, shining community of creators who have all realized that they are the chosen ones of their own experience. Every single time you engage with this channel, you are simply saying a radiant yes to your own divine nature. You are confirming that you have stepped completely, permanently into your power. And we celebrate you. We honor the stunning, brilliant light that you bring to the unified field. Now, let this profound, unshakable peace expand even further. Let it fill the room you are in with pure, golden confidence. In the natural state, you are completely free from the illusion of waiting. You are completely free from the subtle, quiet pressure of wondering when your life will finally look the way you want it to look. Because you know that the when is an illusion. The when is always right now. And right now, you are completely fulfilled. Right now, you hold the absolute, unshakable feeling of having it all. You have the wealth. You have the freedom. You have the exquisite, deep, unconditional love. They are not distant concepts. They are the living, breathing realities of your always present awareness. And because you feel them so completely, so totally, so effortlessly within, the physical world is simply the delayed echo of your own magnificent voice. The echo is arriving. The echo is here. You are going to walk through your days completely surrounded by the physical evidence of your own power. When you look at your bank accounts, you will see the evidence of your infinite value. When you look into the eyes of the people you love, you will see the evidence of your infinite worth. When you look at the beautiful, easy, effortless unfolding of your schedule, you will see the evidence of your infinite peace. It is all yours. It is completely, undeniably yours. And nothing can ever disrupt it. Because nothing has the authority to disrupt the Creator. You are the ultimate authority. You are the final word. And your final word is joy. Your final word is success. Your final word is absolute, staggering abundance. Let yourself completely relax into the beautiful certainty of this truth. You are safe. You are entirely, unconditionally secure. The universe is not a testing ground. It is not a school where you must pass exams to prove your readiness. The universe is simply a joyous playground constructed entirely for your delight. It wants you to win. It wants you to succeed. It wants you to have everything you have ever dared to imagine, and then it wants to give you more. So dare to imagine the highest possible timeline. Dare to assume the most beautiful, radiant, flawless version of your life. And then simply watch as the seamless reality bends over backwards to deliver it to you. You do not have to lift a finger. You do not have to break a sweat. You simply have to maintain your beautiful, unshakable position. You are the unshakable center. When the world seems to move, you remain still. When the world seems to ask questions, you simply provide the answer of your own completion. You are the answer. You are the beautiful, perfect, flawless resolution to every single desire you have ever held. Notice how light you feel. Notice how the gravity of the old world has completely released its hold on you. You are floating in a sea of pure, golden potential. And every direction you swim leads to more joy, more beauty, and more staggering success. There are no wrong turns in the unified field. There are no mistakes. There is only the continuous, glorious expansion of your own consciousness. So enjoy the expansion. Enjoy the ride. Wake up every morning and greet the day as a beloved friend who has come to bring you gifts. Say, "Thank you. I am ready to receive." And then spend your day receiving. Receive the compliments. Receive the windfalls. Receive the perfect, synchronized moments of grace that let you know you are completely on track. You are always on track. You are the track. You are the beautiful golden pathway that your entire life is walking upon. Let this feeling become your permanent baseline. Let this deep, effortless peace become the foundation of every single breath you take. You have navigated the old illusions and you have emerged entirely, beautifully victorious. You are standing in the clear, bright, brilliant light of your own perfection. And from here, everything is breathtakingly easy. Everything is joyful. Everything is perfectly, flawlessly aligned. You have done beautifully. You have allowed the magnificent triumph of your awareness to become your physical reality. And I am so profoundly happy to witness this arrival with you. Anchor this joyous, instant truth into your physical world right now. Let the entire unified field hear your radiant, unshakable declaration. Comment below, "I am the magnificent triumph of my reality." And so it is. And so you are. Forever and always in the beautiful light of your own creation.